Hi guys, my name is Josh and today I'll be reviewing the Sharesies platform. So Sharesies is a platform where Kiwis can buy managed funds and ETFs, and recently they also started offering shares. I wasn't a fan of Sharesies at the start when I signed up about a year ago because they had an annual fee. At the time, Sharesies didn't offer individual stocks. In the middle of July this year, they started offering the ability to buy shares on the NZX. So you could buy shares such as Air New Zealand and the Warehouse. Personally, I like the new Sharesies fee structure because it offers a better alternative compared to your ASB and direct broking websites. The direct broking and ASB were the incumbents, where they started charging $30 per trade, or $29.90 in the case of direct broking. However, Sharesies has changed the game. Their fees are much lower, and I'll show you a comparison between Sharesies and the incumbents. I prepared a spreadsheet on the fees between Sharesies, ASB, and direct broking. So Sharesies, for orders above 3,000, they charge 0.1%, whereas orders below 3,000, they charge 0.5%. For ASB, for anything below $1,000, they charge a $15 fee. And anything above $1,000, they charge $30. For direct broking, they charge a higher of 0.2% or $29.90. So looking here, I've shown a breakdown of how much the fees would be for how much you invested, just to show the differences between the fee structures. So if you invest $500, Sharesies will charge you $2.50 on brokerage fees. ASB will charge you $15, whereas direct broking will charge you $29.90. So the difference between those three, if we look at the Sharesies fees versus the next best option, which in this case is ASB, it's $12.50. And if we look at $1,000, it goes about the same. So it's $5 versus $15, $10. And once we pass the $3,000 mark, Sharesies actually increases at a slower rate than it has pre-3,000 because it's now on the 0.1% tier. So on $4,000, Sharesies, you only pay $16. ASB you pay $30, direct broking you pay $29.90. So the difference is still positive in Sharesies' favor. And in fact, in all of these cases, Sharesies will outperform the other two. You actually have a better rate on Sharesies. And that's because for anything above 3,000, you're getting charged 0.1%. versus the ASB fee of 0.3 or $30. So it's 0.2% lower than ASB and 0.1% lower than direct broking. Now let's talk a little bit about the annual fee for Sharesies. So as you can see, ASB and direct broking do not have an annual account fee. Sharesies has an account fee structure that is based on how much your account value is worth. For accounts below $50, it's free for Sharesies, whereas if it's between $50 and $3,000, the annual account fee is $18, which is $1.50 per month. For your accounts above $3,000, you're paying an annual fee of $30. Alternatively, you could pay a monthly fee of $3. However, that works out to be a bit more than $30. So if your account value is going to be above $3,000 for the next year, then I suggest paying the annual fee. Given that they have different fee structures, how do we compare the two? It really depends on how much of the difference you take advantage of and whether that offsets your annual fee. So I've done a break-even calculation here to show you how many trades you need to make to break even for Sharesies to be worthwhile. So as you can see here, if you trade $500, the number of break-even trades you need is at least 3 times. So that would be $37.50. So that would cover your annual fee of $30. And as you can see here, if you're trading between anywhere between $0 to $11,000, then the number of break-even trades is very reasonable. You don't have to buy and sell every month. You can buy and sell every 2 months and you'll still be fine. And so to me, Sharesies just completely destroys the competition. The fees are much better if you want to buy individual companies. Sharesies also offer managed funds and ETFs. Most of the ETFs on Sharesies are free and they don't cost any transaction fees. However, there are some that do cost transaction fees, whereas on ASB, all of them would be charged with transaction fees, and that would be the same as the fee structure here. However, that being said, on both platforms, there are management fees that you have to pay. Now, going into the platform, it's a really nice and very user-friendly platform. And I'll just show you what it looks like from the inside. So I haven't put my money in here yet. So at the moment, I have $17.43 in my portfolio. Sharesies spread out. They categorize your holdings into lower risk, medium risk, and high risk. And so this gives you a good idea of what type of assets you're invested in. These are the ETFs that I currently own. You can also auto-invest in ETFs. So if you want to invest in the Australian Property Fund, then you can add that to your cart and you can say, I want $5 a week into that product. So it's very easy. You can change this to fortnight, 4 weeks, or monthly. And here is what I want to talk about. Here you can buy individual stocks on the stock exchange. You can sort it out in terms of dividends, annual returns, or recently added. So this was the most recent IPOs. So going in here, you can top up with a bank deposit with a card, you can redeem a gift, or you can withdraw. And there's also some really good reports that you can generate. So an investment report is this. So you can generate a report for that to that. And it will show you, let's generate a report. It will show you your transactions for the year. So it's very useful and very informative. It makes tracking your portfolio a lot easier. And yeah, it's really simple, and I like the platform. You can see your portfolio returns here. So at the moment, I've made $1.27, and that's a 6.3% return, and you can see that. So that's just a little bit about the Sharesies platform. At the moment, I'm sort of thinking of moving my ASB securities portfolio onto here. So over time, I'll start when I sell shares on ASB, I'll put the money in here. Now, because I started this YouTube channel, I thought it would be worthwhile to show you how to build a portfolio. Now, I will be adding in $1,000 into this account. So I'll start with $1,000 and every day I'll add in $5 and I'll continue to do that for as long as I can just to show you how to grow your portfolio. And for every subscriber that I get on here, I will add on another $1. And if you like to sign up, I have an affiliate link, and if you sign up with the affiliate link, you'll get $10 when you sign up. I'll get $5 as well. And if you use that affiliate link, the $5 will also go towards the portfolio. So overall, I think Sharesies is a great platform for beginner investors looking for direct exposure to individual stocks on the NZ Stock Exchange. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks guys, and have a nice day.